Hey guys, welcome back to our channel CSE Best Solutions, and our today's topic is algorithm of linear search, and this is the general algorithm of linear search, and we'll go through it by step. And the first step is start from the leftmost element of an array and one by one compare x with element of array. And step 2, if x matches with an element, return the index. And step 3, if x doesn't match with any element, return -1. And this is the general algorithm of linear search. And next we will see the actual algorithm of linear search and we'll crack it through an example. Okay guys, this is the actual algorithm of linear search, and we'll see first the definition of linear search. The sequential search is made overall item one by one. It is called as linear search, and this is the actual algorithm of linear search. And we'll crack this algorithm and I'll explain with an example and how to crack this example, and then you will get to understand the actual algorithm of linear search. Okay, let's take an example. We'll take hint a of 5 as this, and I'll take this as an example 1 2 3 4 5 array of 5, and this will be the least of examples, and this is the index. These are all index 0 1 2 3 4. These are all index. Okay, these are all the index. These are all the index, and let's take a set of data elements as an example. Let's assume the data items as 3 4 8 16 and 24. Okay, the question will be like this: find the location of element 8. Okay, let's assume the question will be like this. Okay, we'll see the first index. Is the element 8 is there in the first index? No. Then the cursor will go to next index. Is there the element 8 in this element? No. Next the cursor will move here. Is the element 8 is there here? Yes. This is the location of the element 8. In which index it is there? The element 2. The element 8 is there in the index 2. And how the computer will search the element 8 using this algorithm, we'll see it now. What is the first step? I is equal to 1 or 0. This 1 or 0 represents the index what we taking here. It is starting from 0, then it is a 0. If it is start from 1, then it is 1. Okay. What is the second step? What is n here? If I greater than n, go to step 7. What is the n here? N is 5. N is equal to 5. Okay. First index, I is equal to 0. The first index I is equal to 0. Then I is greater than 0 is greater than 5. Then 0 is less than 5. So we no need to go to the step 7. If the index I is greater than 5, then we have to go to step 7, print element not found. Okay, this is true, this is false, so this is true, so we came to step 2, and this is also the true, so this is false, and we are not going to step 7. So we are coming to the step 3. What is step 3? If array of element is equal to x, what is a of I? A of 0 here is 3. It is not what the x we want. X is equal to 8. 3 is not equal to 8. So the step 3 fails. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Okay, next we'll come to the step 4. If the ai is equal to x, then go to step 6. It is not equal to x, so we are going to the next step, that is I is equal to I plus 1. 0 and 0 is here, index is 0 is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. Then we are moving cursor to the next element, and after this we'll go to step 2 again. What is the index number? 1. Here 1 is a 1 is not greater than 5, that is 1 is less than 5. So the step is failed, and we are going to the third step. ai is equal to x, that is what is ai here? a1 is equal to, what is the element here? 4. So 4 is not equal to 8. So this step is failed. So we are not going to step 6. So we are going to the step I is equal to I plus 1. So this is the case. Next the cursor will move here. Okay. Next go to step 2. Next we'll see here what is index number is I is equal to 2. 2 is also less than 5. So we'll go to step 3. We are not going to step 7. We are going to step 3. What is the index element here? A of 2 is equal to 8. That is, what is the x? X is also 8. Here the matches. Okay. X element is equal to x element. So x element is equal to x element. So where will this is successful? Third step is successful. So hence go to step 6. What is print element x found at I? What will the computer or what the computer will print on the screen? Element 8 found at location. What is the location? 2. This is the answer. We found the element 8 at the index 2. Okay. Hope you guys like this video, and I hope you understand the concept of linear search and the example of linear search. Hope you do it well, and try to crack the new examples by taking new example and working and cracking the examples through cracking algorithm through new example. It will help you to understand the algorithm more. So please work through it, and if you like this video, please like the video, and if anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. For that, when I posted a new video, it will get notified. And the today's topic is linear search. I hope everyone has understood this linear search topic. And the next topic is binary search, and the example we'll see in the next part. And bye bye guys, do well, bye, take care.